and welcome to my channel Aroma More. Now, whoever said healthy food cannot be tasty surely needs to try this grilled chicken with mushroom sauce. Healthy yet tasty. So, keep watching.
Low carb grilled chicken with mushroom sauce. We will start by marinating the chicken. Since the chicken is thick on one side and thin on the other, we need to slice the chicken in half horizontally. This will ensure a uniform thickness and the chicken will cook evenly. Now transfer this into a bowl. To this, add the olive oil. Now add the minced garlic. Add the Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and mix thoroughly. Set this aside and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. For the mushroom sauce, take a non-stick pan, pour the olive oil into it and let it heat on medium flame. You can also add butter, but we will stick to olive oil since we are making a healthy version of this sauce. Add the onions and let them saute till they become translucent. Now add the garlic and saute till they are brown in color. Add the mushrooms and saute on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you saute this on low flame, the mushrooms will release water and we do not want that. After this, add the Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and stir thoroughly. Now that the mushrooms are cooked, reduce the flame to medium and add the wheat flour. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, we could have added maida instead, but we are going healthy. You can see that the color has changed to brown. That means this is now done. Add the milk and stir continuously till it is thoroughly mixed to prevent the flour from lumping up. Let this simmer on low flame with the lid on top for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring this occasionally, otherwise the sauce will stick to the bottom. Our 10 minutes are up. Open the lid and check how it looks. Now it is time to add some of my secret ingredients to this. Add a pinch of nutmeg. This will give it a very earthy flavor. Also add some chili sauce to this to give it a kick of spice. Now give this a good stir. You can see how thick and creamy this is even without adding the cheese. Sprinkle some fresh herbs on this. Adjust the spices as well as the consistency of the sauce. If it is too thick, add some milk. If it is too thin, let it boil for a little longer till some water evaporates. Our low carb mushroom sauce is ready. You can serve this with herbed rice, grilled chicken, grilled paneer, sauteed vegetables, or even mashed potatoes. Now let's come back to our grilled chicken, which has been marinating for an hour. Take a non-stick frying pan, drizzle it with oil and let it heat on medium flame. To this, add the chicken pieces and let them cook for 2 minutes with a covered lid. Now turn the chicken pieces and cook it with a covered lid for another 2 minutes. Open the lid and cook it further till it is golden brown on both sides. Be careful not to overcook the chicken, or else it will become chewy. You will know the chicken is done when you are able to insert the fork into it easily without any resistance. The grilled chicken is now ready. Pour the mushroom sauce over this and eat it with a side of sautéed vegetables or herbed rice.
Do try this very healthy grilled chicken with mushroom sauce at home, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Aroma More.